Hi everyone, and welcome to It's Chow Time. My name is Chow, and today's recipe is Chinese New Year cake, or niangao. Chinese New Year cake is made with rice flour, which gives it a chewy or glutinous texture. The reasons why it's a New Year's cake is because niangao literally translates to a sticky cake in Chinese. It also sounds very similar to a higher year in Chinese as well. The reason for eating it at the beginning of the new year is to symbolize a promotion or an upgrade for the coming year. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 bag of rice flour. I am using the Mochiko brand, which contains 16 ounces, 4 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of oil, and 1 1/2 cup of sugar. You can substitute the milk for water or coconut milk if you have a dietary restriction. The first thing you want to do is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the ingredients well together. Once mixed, pour into a baking pan. You can use a rectangular one or a square pan. The smaller the pan equals a thicker cake. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes. When the cake is done baking, it should look something like this. Insert a toothpick to make sure it's been cooked all the way through, and if it comes back clean, it has been. All that's left to do is to cut a piece and enjoy. This has been Chinese New Year cake. If you like what you see or would like to see something else, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. My name is Chow, and this has been It's Chow Time.